25. Mr. Tan had 926 apples. 575 apples were green and the rest were green. Sorry, 575 apples were red and the rest were green. So guys, what we need to do, right, is that can we highlight the key number? Like total is 926. Then 575 were red and the rest were green. Okay. Then Jane, this part you missed out. So I suggest in exam, can you please highlight this? How many more? So we want how many more red apple than green apple were there. So when we have this more and then, these are the keyword. It tells us that we need to compare. So guys, when we compare between two numbers, right, then we will compare like, how much you have, how much Bella have, how much Jane has. So how to compare? Usually what we do is that we will subtract. Is that okay? Subtract is the same as minus. Okay, I'm going to show you all the model. Okay, so I've red apples. Okay guys, there are a few ways to draw this model, but I'm gonna draw it I'm going to separate like the red and the green. Usually what y'all will do is that y'all tend to draw this model, right? Like that. Then after you cut into two, and one is red, the other is green. Something like this, am I right? Okay, Mr. O don't really like this model. You know why? Because you cannot compare. So what Mr. O likes, right, is this. I will draw red and the green side by side, up and down, so we can do a comparison. Okay. Okay, so red is about 575. So what we do is that we draw it like that. Draw a box. Okay, guys, don't need to use a ruler and draw a perfect rectangle like Mr. O. Okay, because I'm using the annotation tool, so I can draw this. But guys, for your right, just draw a sketch. Okay, don't be perfectionist. Just like that will do. Okay, guys, you see, this is not a very nice rectangle, but as long as it looks like a rectangle, it's good enough. Don't spend so much time in the exam just to draw a perfect rectangle. Okay, you're wasting a lot of time. So guys, total, how do we represent total, right? 92926. Draw a big bracket by the side. Big bracket by the side. You write down 9, 2, 6. Is that okay? Then 5, 7, 5 apples were red, right? So we write down 5, 7, 5. The rest were green. Okay. So just now, Jane, right? You did this step. You did 9, 2, 6 minus 5, 7, 5. Okay. And of course, guys, I'm not going to show you all the working lah. I think now y'all can minus very well already. Okay. So if you cannot minus, it's because you do wrongly lah. Then you are careless. Just do it again. Okay. 351. 351. Jane is not the answer. Okay. Why? Because this is 351, it goes into the green. But what we want to find how many more red than green. So what we need to do is that we need to draw a line here. You can see we need to draw a line here. We want to compare how much more. Jane, we are finding this pink color region. You can see? I'm shading for you. How much more? Jane, you understand? So Jane, can you tell me how do we find the pink color region? Amil, please.
575 minus 351.
Very good. Okay, 575 minus 351. And of course, we get the answer as 224. Okay, 224, then can we just write down Can we just write down the statement just to end it off? Bella, does your school ask you to write down the statement? Yes, no? Bella, yes or no? Yes. Okay. Jane, your school asked you to write down the statement? Okay. Hey, next time you all just tell me lah. You give me thumbs up and a clap. Right? It's taking more time. There were 2 to 4 more red peppers than green apples. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay.